Authentic Mexican tacos, taco easy and flavorful recipe at home. Hola amigos. Today we're making one of the most iconic Mexican dishes, authentic tacos. With fresh ingredients and bold flavors, this recipe is super easy to make at home. So grab your apron and let's cook together. We'll start by cooking the filling. In a hot pan, add olive oil and sauté the onion and garlic until fragrant. Add your ground meat and cook until browned. Season with cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir well and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes so all those amazing flavors soak in. Next, we'll warm our tortillas. You can toast them in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side, or you can wrap them in foil and warm them in the oven. Soft, warm tortillas make a big difference. Now it's time to build our tacos. Add a generous spoon of the filling. Then top it off with fresh tomatoes, a slice of avocado, a sprinkle of cheese, and a squeeze of lime. And don't forget the cilantro, it brings everything to life. This is what a real taco should taste like. So juicy, so flavorful, and so easy. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more authentic recipes every week. Hasta pronto!